Hey everyone, welcome back to TechMesh. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable the ASUS on battery and plugged in pop-up. So this is one of the most annoying notifications that appears on your ASUS laptop. So as you can see in my laptop, the plugged in and on battery status is continuously showing. So if you are searching for how to stop the ASUS battery pop-up, remove ASUS charging animation or turn off the ASUS power state notification, you're in the right place. But first, if you are seeing this pop-up happens repeatedly, like every few seconds, you might actually have a charger issue or a loose charging port or unstable power delivery. You don't have to do anything right now, but in future you should get your adapter or device checked by a technician just to be safe. A faulty charger can cause long-term damage even if the pop-up is turned off. So now let's talk about why the pop-up happens. So many ASUS laptops come with built-in services that detect when your device switches between battery power and AC power. That's what triggers the ASUS on battery pop-up and ASUS plugged in pop-up animation. The problem is it pops up while gaming, watching videos or just doing normal work, and it gets extremely distracting. So in this video I will show you the safest and most effective way to disable it while also mentioning what features might be affected. So the main fix is to disable the ASUS optimization service. So this is the number one fix and the most people on the internet recommended it to disable the ASUS optimization service. So this service controls the pop-up animation. So first what you need to do is just press on your Windows and Arc at the same time, and then here you mainly need to type services.msc and then just press on enter. So here your services window will open up. You can also do the same thing by here in your Windows search, just search for services, and here you can see services system. So just open it, and now what you need to do is you need to here search for ASUS optimization. So let me show you. So here you can see the ASUS optimization. So just select the ASUS optimization and then right click on it and then just click on properties. So you mainly need to disable it. So first in the startup, so here it is selected to automatic. So by default when you just turn on your computer, this startup will be automatically, like, this optimization would be turned on. So just click on this pop-up here and then just click on disable. So it would stop this optimization feature to turn on startup by default. So you can obviously enable it whenever you wish, and then here you mainly need to here click on stop. So we are just stopping it and then click on apply and click on OK. And whenever you do something like that, make sure to restart your computer for the changes to take effect. So we have here just disabled our ASUS optimization, and once you have disabled it, the ASUS charging notification and battery pop-up will stop appearing completely. So here let me show you. Here at the bottom here you can see remove the here the charger. So here you can see that nothing is, like, no animation is showing. And also if we just here again plugged in, and then here you can see that it is plugged in, but the annoying animation is now completely turned off. But some important warning is disabling ASUS optimization may affect your keyboard lighting controls, and also sometimes might affect your brightness hotkeys and some my ASUS shortcut features. So if your keyboard lighting or shortcut stops responding, that is the reason. And many users are okay with this trade-off, but I want to make sure that you know about it. All right. So now if we just open our my ASUS again, let me show you. So if we just open this app again, so it is saying please restart the system to ensure the functions work properly. So if you just here disable it, then the MyASUS software will not work properly. All right, so just keep that in mind. And now let's talk about the second fix, which is to disable the panel power saver in Armoury crate. So if your screen flashes back for a second whenever you plug in or unplug the charger, that's a separate issue caused by panel power server adjusting your refresh rate. So I do not have the ASUS Armoury crate because my laptop is mainly ASUS VivoBook. So if your laptop is like ASUS ROG or these kinds of series, then you might have the ASUS Armoury crate. So you mainly need to open the Armoury crate and then go to device and then open system configuration and turn off the panel power saver. So this will stop the screen flicker whenever the laptop switches power modes. All right. And now let's talk about the fix 3, which is to uninstall ASUS hotkeys. So this is an optional. So a more aggressive option is just uninstalling ASUS hotkeys from Windows. So I do not have the ASUS hotkeys installed here. So let me just show you. If I just search for ASUS hotkeys, so here you can see that no app is showing up. So I do not have it installed on my device, but I will tell you the steps. All right, so you can just uninstall the ASUS hotkeys, but doing this would also remove like brightness or the volume OSD and keyboard lighting adjustment. So only uninstall ASUS hotkeys if you don't need those features. And that's how you disable the ASUS laptops plugged in or on battery pop-up and stop the ASUS charging animation from interrupting your work. These fixes should completely stop the ASUS battery pop-up issue on your laptop. If this helped you, please like the video and leave a comment below telling me whether your problem is fixed or not. Your comments help others searching for things like ASUS plugin pop-up fix, ASUS power notification disable, and turn off ASUS charging pop-up. And don't forget to subscribe to TechMesh for more helpful tech tutorials, Windows fixes, and laptop troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching. I'm Mesh from TechMesh and I'm signing out.